Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. If you're excited about managing your XRP in 2025, you're in the right spot. Today, in video number 3, we'll walk you through transferring XRP from Robinhood to your Phantom wallet step by step. This process is straightforward but requires caution, as crypto transfers can be irreversible. Let's dive in. First, a quick background. XRP is a popular digital currency designed for fast, low-cost transactions, often used in cross-border payments. Robinhood is a user-friendly trading platform where you might have bought your XRP, while Phantom Wallet is a secure app primarily for Solana but adaptable for assets like XRP with the right network setup. In 2025, make sure you're using the latest app versions to avoid compatibility issues. Before we get started, check your prerequisites. You'll need a verified Robinhood account with XRP in it, a Phantom wallet set up on your phone or browser, and your Phantom wallet address copied. Double-check it to prevent any mishaps. Also, be mindful of potential fees. Network costs for XRP transfers via the XRP ledger can vary, so keep an eye on your balance. Now, let's go through the steps. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and navigate to your portfolio. Find your XRP holdings and select the option to withdraw or transfer out. If it's your first time, you might need to verify your identity again for security. Step 2. Choose the withdrawal method and select the XRP network. Enter your Phantom wallet address carefully, paste it to avoid typos. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to transfer, review any fees displayed, and confirm the transaction. Robinhood will process it and send it to the XRP ledger. Step 4. Once submitted, monitor the transaction status. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head over to your Phantom wallet app and refresh to see if the XRP has arrived. Finally, some tips. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. If you encounter errors, check for blockchain updates or contact support. Remember, crypto is all about security, never share your private keys. That's it for today. You've now got the skills to move your XRP safely. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.